Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here. Welcome back to another grilling video. Now if you want a hot dog, but you think a hot dog's kind of simple and kind of cheesy, nothing wrong with a good hot dog. I like a good hot dog. But if you want to kind of go fancy, but go fancy on a budget, this is what I'm about to cook here. So basically what I'm going to do kielbasa, which is kind of a fancy hot dog of sorts. But I'm going to do something, as you will see within this video, that could potentially change your life. So the first thing we're going to do, I use my electric charcoal starter, and by the way, you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find all the equipment like I use. But got my coals ready here. Didn't use any lighter fluid or lighter fluid added charcoal. We're going to put on my cast iron grilling grate, which isn't necessary for kielbasa, but you know what I like? When I do the kielbasa, it even further seasons this cast iron searing grate. So let's put this sucker on here. That's hot, man. Got that on there like a boss. Got the searing grate on. But yeah, when I cook my kielbasa, you know, anything that you're cooking, meats that have all those juices, that helps to further season your searing grate. You know, so the next time I cook a you know, a steak or a pork chop or chicken breast or something like that, I mean, these things, these cast iron grates remain well seasoned because I grill so much. So let me bring out the first part of this secret here. So this right here is an onion that I cut up, and I put some butter and garlic in there. I'm just going to toss this on because we're going to make, and I'll go ahead and spoil part of the surprise, we're going to make kielbasa and onion and barbecue sauce sandwiches. Mmm. So let's go get the kielbasa. Got my kielbasa, bro. Nothing fancy about this, but you know what? It doesn't have to be fancy to be good. Here at the Appalachian Ocean, I'll cook pretty much anything. Let's see, let me go ahead and pull this out of the pack here. There it is. Put that sucker, I'm not putting it on the sear, well yeah, I'll put it on the searing grates just so, like I said, it'll, but man, look at that. That's going to cook. I've got apple wood in there. Charcoal and apple wood. It's going to have a very wonderful flavor. Let's let this cook and let's come back and I'm going to show you something that's going to change your life. Eating boiled corn aggressively while I wait. Always leave a little bit of corn for George Cooney. George Cooney, excuse me, sir, here comes year number 2. The main course will be here later. So we got our toasted buns, we got our kielbasa, and we've got our onions. Now I did do the onions uncovered for a little bit so they got the applewood smoke, but then I covered them up to really make them, you know, I like a soft onion to go with my kielbasa sandwiches. So this right here is going to make some sandwiches. And I've got 2 for dinner and 2 for breakfast, like a boss. Now typically I'd like some mustard-based slaw to go with my sandwiches, but I didn't make any, so I'm just going to do it with barbecue sauce. Got my kielbasa, got my toasted buns. Like I said, I used apple wood and charcoal. This is going to be excellent. Toasting the buns is so important. These are just cheap store brand hamburger buns. Toasting the buns is so important because it gives that extra texture to the bite. So I've got 2 for dinner, and then I've got 2 for breakfast, because if I'm going to cook a thing of kielbasa, why not? Let's go ahead and make these sandwiches. Ooh, here it is. Mmm. Look at that. Toasted buns topped with onion, barbecue sauce, and then a healthy layer of kielbasa. Make a sandwich. Make two. And then a to-go box. Got to plan ahead. Now, like I said, mustard-based slaw would be delicious, but I didn't have any. And you can make your own barbecue sauce, or you can take a shortcut and do the store-bought sauce. That's up to you, or you don't have to do any sauce at all. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of Chef IrixGuy's videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.